Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to show you guys this welding table that I got. It's about 50 inches from here to here, and it's 26 inches from here to here. Then it has this piece right here, but it's tacked on here and here, and then also on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece off, as I don't need it, and then the area that I'm going to put it on over here, I barely have enough room, so the table will end up somewhere around here. The piece that I'm going to cut out, I might end up moving further in so that I could actually use it, maybe put a vise there or my grinder. I don't know yet, but I'm going to go ahead and remove that now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that now, and hopefully it goes easy, and we'll be back. So I've cut the piece off. Ended up having to, this one was the hardest side because the welds were behind the angle iron. So I cleaned off a little bit of this area. I'm gonna put it here. Gotta move my fire extinguisher. I'll probably end up making a mount beside the table and mounting it right next to my table. I need to clean some of this corner of the garage. One of my buddies keeps telling me that it's filthy, that it looks like a bomb went off in here, but I'm like, it's everybody's garage looks this way. You know, this side looks decent, but yeah, I gotta start cleaning. But first things first, I gotta put this table over here, so that's next. Well, here's the table. I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna raise it by like 6 inches, which should end up look about, you know, right here from it. It's a little too low, and it touches my 220 outlet right there. I can still plug in, but it is pretty low. So I mean, unless I want to be on a chair welding over here, it's just not going to be very nice. So I'm either going to get some maybe like 6-inch or 5-inch casters and weld them to the bottom of each leg, or I might just buy some angle and add the 6 inches worth to it, and then just raise it up that way. And then I might add a shelf to it, but I'm not sure. Put a shelf on the bottom, but I might not do that because then I just end up with more clutter. So I might just leave it how it is, but raise it up by 6 inches. I haven't shown you guys. I got this Everlast welder. It's a Powerarc 160Sth. I got it so that I could learn how to do some TIG welding, and I've been practicing, but you know, it's kind of hard. It's not hard, it's just you have to learn a new technique. You know, it's kind of like the first time you use a MIG. You know, you have a bunch of bird crap all over the place, and then you get better and better. So the more that I practice, I'm sure I'll get better at it. And you know, it's always fun to learn a new task, you know, learn something new. So it doesn't always have to be about building, you know, but you could learn how to do something else, like I am doing here, learning how to weld. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty strong. So you can see I did all the seams, but you know, once I was trying to dab, that's the hard part, is learning when to dab the filler rod. So I need to learn that. But just for the fusion welding, I mean, that's pretty easy. You just melt the metal and it welds it together. So that was pretty cool. But I definitely need to learn how to dab a little better, and you know, get my technique down, get my speed down, and go from there. That's pretty much it. I got to work on this heater, get this heater going, even though it's pretty much springtime here in Denver already. But I want to get that heater done so that it's ready for this winter. And that's pretty much it, guys. So that's the update. That's what's going on here at the garage. And you know, hopefully I get to drive this Talon this year as well. I was thinking about getting it wrapped. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I get it wrapped. I need to get some tires as well. But that's the plan. Alright guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.